let's review the cell membrane. All right, here we have a picture of a cell membrane, and I will go through some of the parts discussed in class that you need to remember. Let's see, we have on the outside these small circles. Remember, these are our hydrophilic heads, and on the inside, these are our hydrophobic tails. And remember the word hydro means water. Philic, love. Phobic, fear. All right, so the hydrophilic heads, they love water. The hydrophobic tails, they don't like water. They're afraid of it. So they're also called polar heads and non-polar tails. Okay? And you can also see a few things labeled here. We have protein molecules that's labeled, and they're sticking out of the cell membrane. All right, let's look at osmosis. Remember, osmosis is the diffusion of water. So don't forget, it's the diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable. Remember, the term selectively permeable means it allows some things in and some out. Selectively. So some things can get in and some things can get out. In this case, things have to be small enough to get through the membrane, and typically it's water. When we're dealing with osmosis, it's always water because osmosis is the diffusion of water. So looking at the first question, which side has more sugar molecules? Well, if we look at this beaker here, this one, we see that there are more sugar molecules on this side and the other side. So there's more molecules on the left. So the side that has more sugar molecules happens to be the left side. Which side has a lower concentration of water? We have to think back to some labs that you've probably done in your biology class learning about concentration. Now, if you look at the left side, there's more sugar. So it's probably a lot sweeter, doesn't taste as watery. And the right side, very little sugar, but lots of water. So the side that has a lower concentration of water would actually be the left side. So which side would the water molecules want to move to? They want, remember, we want a balance. So we're looking for homeostasis here. So the water molecules, there are fewer water molecules on the left, more on the right. In order to balance out, as you see, the water molecules are going to move from the right to the left. So they're going to want to move to the left. All right, quick review of the solution types: hypotonic, hypertonic, isotonic. You remember from class, hypotonic, that would mean below strength, okay? So the solution has a lesser concentration of solutes. So just know hypo is below strength. We'll erase that there. Okay. hypotonic below strength. Hypertonic would be above strength. And isotonic is going to be the same. Remember, iso means same. So same strength. So if we think in terms of our solutions, hypotonic, water moves into the cell. Hypertonic, water moves out of the cell. And isotonic, water goes back and forth. And the last slide shows you a picture of an isotonic, hypertonic, and hypotonic medium.